Samsung didn't just leak its next big idea, it accidentally handed us a front row seat to a whole new chapter in foldable tech. Thanks to Android Authority, a hidden animation inside One UI 8 has exposed what looks like the Galaxy GFold, Samsung's first tri-fold smartphone. This isn't a rumor anymore. It's visual proof straight from Samsung's own software. What we see is a 3-panel device. The left panel has a triple camera setup that mirrors the Fold 7. The center holds the cover screen and the rightmost panel is empty, serving solely for folding purposes. But this fold is no ordinary fold. Samsung's hinge mechanism is asymmetrical, meaning you can't just fold it in any sequence. The wrong fold, starting from the right, can actually damage the screen. To prevent that, Samsung built a smart warning system that vibrates and alerts users to fold from the left side first, then the right. That's not all the animation reveals. The punch-hole inner camera is still there. No under-display trickery, which is a deliberate choice. Critics say it's unnecessary with a cover screen already in place, but Samsung clearly sees value in keeping it for things like flex mode video calls. The frame layout is classic Samsung foldable. Power button with a fingerprint sensor and a volume rocker on the side. Altogether, the G Fold feels like an evolution of the Z Fold, only now with an extra hinge and a whole new form factor. Unlike Huawei's S-shaped trifold, Samsung's version folds more like the letter G, making sure that every screen is tucked inside when the device is closed. That one difference fixes a major pain point: no screen left exposed. It's a direct nod to lessons learned from earlier foldable disasters. While Huawei's design allows a partially folded state for multitasking, Samsung has opted for simplicity. You either have the phone completely open or completely shut. No in-between modes. That might seem like a missed opportunity, but it makes the structure more durable. And although the name trifold isn't technically accurate since the device folds only twice, the label has stuck. So far, specs haven't been fully confirmed. But we're hearing the G Fold will recycle the Fold 7's camera hardware, a 200 megapixel main sensor, ultra-wide, and a 3x telephoto lens. According to Ross Young, the external display is expected to be 6.5 inches, expanding into a 10-inch tablet when fully opened. That gives users a standard smartphone when closed and a true tablet when needed, skipping the weird aspect ratios that have plagued foldables in the past. The only slight downside? Battery life. Reports from South Korea hint it will have a smaller battery than Huawei's 5,600 milliamp hour pack, though no numbers are confirmed yet. Don't expect this to be light or thin. Huawei's trifold weighs 298 grams and measures 12 millimeters in thickness. If Samsung can match or beat that, it'll be impressive, but none of this will come cheap. Pricing is still under wraps, but the consensus is that this will land north of $2,500. It's a premium first-gen product meant for a limited market. And the release? Not far off. Korean sources say Samsung will tease the G Fold at the same unpacked event as the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. It may be the one more thing surprise, possibly with early hands-on previews. A proper launch will likely follow later this year.